making it as simple as possible. That is our approach to managing quality with TrakSYS and paving the road for digitizing manufacturing operations. TrakSYS manages the collection of data from your existing systems, its aggregation, analysis, and visualization, and ultimately, the creation of actionable alerts to minimize the impact and cost of poor quality. To facilitate data collection and analysis, TrakSYS integrates with your existing infrastructure without disrupting operations to provide historical trending, SPC, and scrap and defect tracking. The comprehensive e-records allow you to evaluate the data related to any job, whether it is in process, scheduled, or completed. You'll be able to see relevant information pertaining to batch, KPIs, material consumption, and process deviations, just to name a few. Quality dashboards are configured to suit the exact requirements of your operations. With TrakSYS, it is simple to adjust the way information is displayed by roles, responsibilities, and access rights. Having access to data is only half the battle. TrakSYS also provides a broad range of quality control features. Functions such as corrective action, preventative action, and hazard analysis critical control point allow you to create strategies to address the nonconformances and meet regulatory requirements. Use TrakSYS to manage all aspects of quality. Assign resources, create schedules, identify root causes, generate real-time notifications, manage corrective actions, and maintain comprehensive electronic records. TrakSYS will help you to establish a highly effective strategy to measurably improve your overall quality and profitability. TrakSYS, empowering your digital transformation.